What is up everyone, this is the Financial Journey once again. In today's video, we will discuss about Blackberry and why I believe it should be one of the top growth stocks for 2021. As usual, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so all the information in this video, please don't take them as financial or investment advice. As a full disclosure, I have long position in Blackberry and I'm very excited to discuss Blackberry in today's video because it is one of my biggest positions in all of my portfolio. So for those who have not caught up with the news lately about Blackberry, Blackberry is no longer the hardware smartphone makers that you knew some 10 years ago. Blackberry has transformed into a full-fledged software company, offering a variety of software applications and services to different industries all around the world. So the last two trading days actually have been really good for investors like me. Because for the longest time, BlackBerry is one of those biggest enigmas in the stock market. It shows a lot of promise, but also being an investor, I can tell you that I've experienced a lot of frustrations and disappointments as well with the execution. Because if you know BlackBerry, you know that they make a lot of good products and services out there. Somehow there's still a lot of negative sentiments from people in Wall Street with the way BlackBerry lost out to Apple in the smartphone business. So while BlackBerry will have a period of great momentum that really excited investors like me, they just couldn't break through. They just couldn't get over the hill, so to speak. So here I am, as with other BlackBerry investors, hoping that this could be finally the year that BlackBerry breakthroughs. So now I'm going to show you some factors that I believe genuinely supports our optimism that this is going to be the year for BlackBerry. The first one is the BlackBerry IV. To me, this is the biggest catalyst because this is what BlackBerry and its investors have been waiting for a very long time, which is to partner with a very big tech company. And nobody is bigger than Amazon. This partnership centers around BlackBerry's intelligent vehicle data platform. In my opinion, this partnership could be life-changing for BlackBerry and BlackBerry investors. And this is a game changer. The exclusive partnership provides instant credibility along with a big data mindset to vehicle data, resulting in unlimited potential for third-party applications in areas such as car insurance, maintenance, EV charging, and connected vehicles. And even though BlackBerry did not disclose the potential impact of this partnership in terms of the revenue, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out that this is a great potential considering that it's a partnership with the biggest tech company in the world, Amazon, who knows how to get things done. The next factor is QNX. QNX is an operating system that you can find in more than 200 million cars all over the world. From the last earnings report, this segment showed slowdown in revenue, largely due to pandemic. BlackBerry believes that the revenue from this segment will continue to trend upward as the world continues to recover from the pandemic. The next factor is the Spark Suite. This provides Zero Trust, an emerging concept in cybersecurity that is becoming a necessity for enterprises as mobile devices such as wearables become the norm within the workplace. Additionally, BlackBerry has several other more mature product offerings, including BlackBerry AtHoc and BlackBerry Sequi Suite. This may not be as exciting as the other initiatives, but these provide a steady and increasing revenue stream. The next factor is patents. BlackBerry, being one of the pioneers in the smartphone industry, owns a lot of patents. And they continue to monetize through these patents. Just recently, they sold 90 of them to Huawei. Also, BlackBerry and Facebook privately settled patent infringement that BlackBerry filed against Facebook. BlackBerry is so undervalued. Look at the table below. The metrics, price to sale and price to book ratios are all in favor of BlackBerry versus the rest of the industry. If you're not familiar with these two indicators, These are basically what a lot of Wall Street analysts use to value or to determine whether an equity, a company is overvalued or undervalued. You will see from this table that BlackBerry is currently undervalued. If we compare BlackBerry against one of its more popular peers, CrowdStrike, it's currently trading at 219 and 51 cents. Look at the price to sales ratio. It's at 63. At this number, you could say CrowdStrike could be overvalued. Comparing this to BlackBerry's 5, you can definitely say that BlackBerry is currently undervalued. By the way guys, if you are enjoying the content of this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, I'm curious to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. I'm just going to show you an interesting chart for BlackBerry. It's just a personal observation. Not that I use this every time I buy or sell BlackBerry, because the fact is I'm long on this stock and I have no plans of selling my stocks in the near future. So I'm currently looking at least 10 years to hold these stocks. But just quickly, if you look at the last year's chart of BlackBerry, there's not a lot of movement in this stock price. It was like sleeping for the longest time. So you could consider this part here from here to here as a base. They say that the longer the base, the higher the breakouts would be. So I think that's what's happening in here, because for the longest time, BlackBerry has just been sleeping. But after that announcement and developments from AWS and other partnerships, you could see that there were a few breakouts already. And to me, this could be a sign that BlackBerry is actually on the verge of being parabolic. So we all know that there's an ongoing revolution in the space of EV and autonomous driving. So I'm just going to show you this video, or sharing this video, to let you know that BlackBerry is also involved in the space of EV and autonomous driving. Plus, which is a company headquartered in Cupertino, California, they actually chose BlackBerry QNX as partner for autonomous driving. So Plus specializes in providing full-stack self-driving technology to enable large-scale autonomous commercial transport. If you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you again. Also, I would like to request for you to please like and subscribe so that I can continue to grow this channel. Also, as a reminder, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Please do your due diligence before determining if you would like to invest or not in BlackBerry. Have a good day, everyone.